Dear friends, you know that the Lok Sabha election 2024 is going on. It is on the way. 6 phases elections already over, and the 7th phase will be on 1st June 2024. Today is 31st May, and today was the last working day in the market. That is, today was the Friday, and today the ITC share price was rupees 426.45. My today's topic is ITC Limited share in the stock market. The important news about this share is Competition Commission of India, that is CCI, has given nod for the proposed demerger of the hotel business of ITC Limited from the ITC Limited. And you know, in August 2023, ITC board already had approved the demerger of ITC Hotel Limited from ITC Limited. And for this, the important news is that the ITC company on 6th of June 2024 has called the meeting of the board of directors, and for this they will take the votes of the shareholders to take their nod for the approval of the demerger of ITC Hotel Limited from the ITC Limited. And it is assumed, it is pre-assumed that the shareholders will give their nod for the they will give their approval for the demerger of ITC Hotel Limited from ITC Limited. And for this, already ITC Limited has declared that for 10 shares, they will give one ITC Hotel Limited share for the shareholders. And that is, the swap ratio will be 1 for 10 shares of ITC Limited, that is 1:10. And now, what the broker houses, different broker houses, they are giving targeted price of ITC Limited, we can see this thing. JP Morgan Limited, JP Morgan, the broker house, they have given target price of 490 on this stock. And you know, Prabhudas Liladhar has given price of 491, and they have advised their clients to accumulate ITC share for a target of rupees 491. JP Morgan, they have given targeted price of 490. Share Khan, they have given targeted price of 515. Motilal Oswal, they have given targeted price of 535. And MK Global Financial Services, they have given targeted price of 525. If we analyze the SWOT analysis, if you do, we see the strength of this stock is the company has no debt. It is a totally debt-free company. The debt equity ratio is totally zero during the last 5 years, including this 2024. And the earning per share, net profit, book value per share, ROCE, return on capital employed, ROE, return on equity, everything, all these are increasing at increasing level. What is the weakness of this share? Weakness is that recently the result has declared their result. They are saying that year-on-year operating profit margin and net profit is slightly declining, and opportunity is it is trading at the stock market at high volume and high gain. But the slightly threat we are observing that RSI, if we follow the technical chart, the RSI is 44.4395. That is towards slightly at the low level, 30 to 30. You know, the oversold zone. It is at the near oversold zone, and this is the threat. And but if we follow the another technical chart, the Bollinger Band technical chart, there we see it is at the lower end of the band. This means it indicates in near term it will go up. And if we follow the dividend yield of this share is 3.22, beta is 0.76, which is below 1. It is good, and 200 days moving average is 438.39. Overall, this stock, from my consideration, it will be a good accumulation for your portfolio. And if we consider for 12 months at least from today, then you can consider the price will be around 600 rupees. And if we follow the pivot point of this stock, pivot point is 425.72, resistance at 429, then 434, and then 437, and support is at 422.48, 417.12, and 411.88. Considering overall this financial position of this company, if any investor can accumulate this share at from 400 to 410 or 420 rupees at least, then he or she may be benefited for long term. Then from my assumption, I can suggest my friends to accumulate this share for long term, considering at least 12 months holding. It will go up to 600 rupees. It is from my calculation we can say. And it is more we can consider it is improving ROE, it is improving ROC. Then FII holding is more than 40% for ITC stock, and it is trading at 5 times premium to book value and profit margin. Overall, it will be a good buy for the investors, but my friends, you keep in your mind that it is totally an educational video, and if you want to invest in market for any kind of shares, please, you must have your own analysis, and then only you should invest. Thank you.